Hello, my name is Scott Hamlin and I'm with Games in a Flash. I'm going to show you how to customize games really quick by changing their backgrounds. It's a very easy thing. It's especially cool if you get one of our game bundles because the game bundles come with 50 free backgrounds that you can customize with your games, and some of them are shown right here. But let me show you how to do this. It's very easy, very quick, and it's a great way to change a big part of the look of a game. If you think about it, the background from a visual perspective is takes up a lot of real estate in the game. It takes up everything really. It's covered by other stuff, but I mean the background is a good way to make it unique and change it, and it's very quick and easy. Let me show you. Okay, so first what I'm doing is I'm showing you the bonus backgrounds art file that we send you when you license the game bundle at Games in a Flash. I'm going to show you those at the end of the video. So here I'm just going to go ahead and make some visible. You see that there's different categories: abstract, concentric, nature, retro, and so forth. And if you scrub over, you can see all the different files. Underneath the eye icon, you can make the layers invisible and you can see more of the different backgrounds, and there's a bunch of them, and so you can pretty much match any style that you want. There's some space theme ones, and there's even some different kind of art themes like a chalkboard and so forth. So there's a lot of stuff here that you can customize games with, and in another video I'm going to show you how you can recolor these very easily and quickly, but that's for a different video. For now, first is get to know our stage dimensions. The bonus backgrounds are all 640 by 480, and they've been pre-sized, and you can easily resize those, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to customize two games real fast. I'm going to do our Face in the Crowd game from Games in a Flash and our Word Search game. The reason I'm going to do that is because one of them is a word game and one of them is a game that kind of features more graphics. And I also want to show you a few different techniques that you can use. Okay, so start your stopwatch and let's see how fast this goes. First I'm going to do the Face in the Crowd game. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to look and see what the dimensions are. It's 600 by 450. That's actually proportional to 640 by 480. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open the Properties panel, and if I make sure that this is locked, I'm going to go ahead and change that to 600, and it changes it to 600 by 450. Now I just copy it and I can just paste it. I'm going to double click this because that was a movie clip. I'm going to paste it in now. So one thing that I can do is I can align to the stage. I have the align panel open already, and if I have the align to stage option turned on, then I can select it and then align to the left and to the top, and it'll position. If I want to make this clean, I can cut this and delete the original, paste this in, and then I just need to arrow down. I'm holding down the command key and hitting arrow down, or you can go into under modify and choose arrange and then send to back. Now I already have that there. I'm going to copy that, and if I go to the game over scene, I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to click the background and then Control Shift V, and I pasted it right in place. So now I have two of the scenes already with the background. Now I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to move this real quick to show you. That's a movie clip. So I hit Control Z to undo what I just did. Now in this case, this background layer has been left invisible. I'm going to click on that, Control Shift V, and paste it in place. And there I have my next background already in place. And now I just need to do the main menu. I'm going to double click on that. I moved it, and then I'm going to select the bottom layer, Control Shift V, and boom, I have done it in under a minute. Completely different background for this game. So I can do that on the Word Search game. I'm going to show you a slightly different method. Okay, let's use a different background here. Let's say I wanted to go with this one. I'm going to copy this. Now, the first thing I want to do is go into the document settings for the Word Search game. Okay, that's a little bit different. It's 625 by 450. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to go to the Properties panel. I'm going to change that to 625 wide, and this to, I'm going to uncheck that, and I'm going to uncheck the lock, and then I'm going to check 450. Now it's 625 by 450. It's the same size as the Word Search game. It doesn't matter where you start. I'm going to go to, I think I'm in the game 1 scene. Actually, I think I switched scenes, but it doesn't matter. I can delete that and then paste the new one in, and it's already in position. I can do the alignment if I want to, but boom. That actually didn't show you what I wanted to, so let's go over to the game over scene. Now what I wanted to do, Control Z, I'm going to double click on this and notice that's there. So I'm going to paste this in now. You might actually have it come in like this. If you can't align it to the stage, because sometimes that doesn't actually work, what you can do is use the art that was originally there as a way to align to it. What you can do is select both of them. I'm going to unclick align to stage, and I'm going to click to the top and left. And what that did was it aligned the background to what was there originally. I cut the background for a second, Control X or Command X on the Mac, and I delete that, and then I Control Shift V back into place. So now I have both of those done. I'm going to go to the game scene, and I have the background here. Now I'm going to scroll down, and if I click on the bottom layer, that's probably the background, and in fact the dots are above that. So now I can just paste, Control V, and that pasted right into place because it was in that same spot in the previous scene. I'm going to go to the main scene now, and I just have to change that. This time I selected both of the layers at once by dragging over them, and then I paste again, and boom, I have all of the backgrounds for all the different scenes changed for the entire game. And it's as easy as that. Now, the 50 backgrounds that I've been working with are part of the game bundles at Games in a Flash. This graphic right here is showing you the 3-game bundle. You can get any 3 games for $350. At Games in a Flash, the maximum games licenses are up to $300 a piece. You could get 3 $300 games for only $350 instead of paying $900, for example. There's also a 5-game bundle and a 10-game bundle, and all of the backgrounds come with that, as well as some clip art, which will feature in a different video. You can go to this link right here to see the 3-game bundle, or you can click on the link below this video on YouTube to go to it. Thanks, and have fun customizing games.